welcome back to another Vegas adventure. Today we explored the Venetian Resort Las Vegas, one of the most amazing places to visit in Las Vegas. The atmosphere here is incredible and it truly feels like you're walking around Italy with the canals, lights, and stunning architecture everywhere. Of course, our trip will not be complete without a food trip. First, we enjoyed some delicious halo-halo, the perfect dessert to cool down from the Vegas heat. It had shaved ice, leche plan, ube, and so many sweet toppings that reminded us of home, Philippines.
What is your best seller for halo-halo? Ay, saan nga? Dalawa lang po halo-halo
So
and
they
supreme.
have this. Pwede ka. Maliit lang pala yung pwesto nila dito, no? So this is the halo-halo Filipino kitchen. If you want to go to Filipino kitchen here in Venetian, you can just go to fast food. Ito yung fast food nila. I'm going to buy that one, the 10.99. Is that the 10.99?
Ano difference ng supreme at saka
Large po yung Philippines.
oh, malaki pala.
Oh, that's the large one?
Surprise lang.
How much is supreme?
I like the fruity halo-halo. Is that the 10.99?
Can
Okay.
I have two fruity halo-halo?
Ah, sige. Tapos, masarap yung lumpia nila. Siguro. Ako na lang magbibigay ng 8.99.
Gusto mo po. Ano mo po?
Ibigyan kita ng cash na 8.99. Lumpia Shanghai.
Pork or chicken?
Pork or chicken daw?
Chicken. So we order fruit halo-halo and lumpia Shanghai. Hi guys, ito na yung in-order namin. Halo-halo. And ano tawag dito? Lumpia Shanghai. So 10.99 yung kanilang halo-halo and then yung kanilang lumpia Shanghai, 8 ang laman is $9 ano? So $9 po. So, sige. So, meron ditong halo-halo Filipino kitchen. Ito nga, hindi ko maubos. And then, marami po kayong pagpipilian. Meron ding stagecoach, country roadhouse, may curry pot, and then, merong fire of Brazil, churrascaria. I think, is that, ano yan? Parang, anong klaseng ano yan? Mga pagkain.
Brazilian.
Merong Brazilian na food. And then hamburger shakes. And then live pizza. Johnny Rockets. So ito yung sa ano sa Venetian, sa fast food court. Sa food court. So mamaya siguro itatry ko rin yung iba pang mga food nila dito. After that, we tried some flavorful Indian food with curry rice and other delicious dishes full of rich spices and amazing aroma. So, after eating, we walked around the casino area outside the Venetian and continued exploring the beautiful surroundings. The lights, music, and energy of Las Vegas at night were such an amazing experience. We also stopped by the fountain area with a stunning view of the Venetian. The scenery was absolutely beautiful and perfect for taking photos and videos. The lights reflecting on the water made everything look so relaxing and magical. If you love food trips, sightseeing, and exploring beautiful places, the Venetian is definitely worth visiting. It's a great place for family bonding, hanging out with friends, or simply enjoying the Vegas experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Vegas adventures and food trips. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless you.